If you've been looking for something simple to help improve the look of scars, this is the one that I've been reaching for lately. So I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. I'm not going to show you it up close, but I actually do have a scar on the upper part of my leg that I've been trying to work on. This is a Silicone Scar Gel, and I like that it's mess-free and super easy to apply right where you need it. It is made for surgical scars, stretch marks, keloids, and both old and new scars, which I know not all types of products like that are, so I really like that about this. The texture goes on really smoothly, and it's perfect to toss in your bag and make sure that you are using it consistently. I feel like products like this work best when they are easy to keep up with, and this one definitely fits that bill. Let me show you a close-up of what the consistency looks like. So if you can see that here, you see that it is a clear gel. It does squeeze out very easily from the tube. And then when you go to rub it in, let me just show you what it looks like. I'll put some on my hand. You see how easy it's mess-free. It's not going to run or anything like that because of the gel consistency of it. If you're looking for a treatment for your scars and you're trying to reduce those, this is definitely a product that you would want to check out.